Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to the channel. This is Eric. Today's gonna be a little different. Usually we'll be talking about smartphones, but in today's video, it's relatively related to people who game a lot. I myself is not really a gamer, but this device got me attracted so much that I actually went and get it. So this is not a sponsored video. Today we're gonna talk about the Backbone PlayStation Edition. Now, this is not my first purchase. This is actually my second purchase. The first Backbone had a little bit of defects on it. I'll just show you on this video and you can actually hear both sides of the joysticks making noises. The folks at Century X Malaysia, being the distributor of the Backbone PlayStation in Malaysia, very nice people. I contacted them, told them about the problems, sent them videos, and they said, yes, you can have it claimed for warranty. So that's what I did. And a week later, this is the PlayStation Backbone, totally sealed. So this one, made for iPhone, works also with Android, and it's a USB-C connection. There's also a lightning connection, but if you're using anything USB-C, don't get that. Another tip, which you can also see right here, it says Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. So this is the red color thing. I think there's another one, yellow color Warzone. That is another version, which I don't think you're able to fit in with cases on your iPhone. So this one, I've already tried it before because this is my second purchase. I tried it on my iPhone 15 Pro. Wait a second, where is it? So I tried it on this phone, which is the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and this is the Ghost Case 2.0. Fits super well. Of course, you have to change the adapter, which we will talk about in a minute, right after we unbox this. Here you have it. This is the PlayStation Edition. Now, why did I get the white version? Not because I'm a PlayStation fanboy, but I just think that white color looks a lot nicer. So this one, it's the PlayStation version. I love it. Slide it up. There we go. Here you see it says Backbone, very premium packaging. Nothing else on the side and the back. Open this. Get the app, it says. Obtain this application. Okay, so this is the thing that we want to talk about. The adapters. How do you take this off? Just peel it off. Pop. So this is the white version. As you can see, looks exactly the same as a PlayStation DualShock controller. Solid. No more squeaks. Nice. It's very sturdy. Solid. Nice. These adapters, which are meant to be used on an iPhone without any case. So if you're going to be using this with a case, there's a small box right here. You will get additional adapters. So these adapters are meant to be used on iPhone with cases. Pull this tab right here and you see them. So these are the adapters, which has a larger dimension for you to fit. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos online. They say it's very hard to get this off. All you need to do is basically just use your fingernails and actually pry this part off. Do not pry it on top, but you pry it on the side. Hear it? It's easy. So this is one off, and we're gonna replace it with this. Snap it in. Same goes with the other one. Just pry it from here, and you hear a snap. There you go. Put this in. Okay, so once you got the smaller adapters off, you can now fit in nicely with your iPhone. Now, once you have all those set up already, all you need to do is just plug the iPhone, in this case the 15 Pro Max, with the Backbone controller. Previously, I've already set a shortcut to be on gaming mode if the phone detects any external controller, in this case the Backbone. So all you need to do is just put this on the side here first, not the USB side, because you might actually break it. Pull this and you can see it fits just nice. So press this button right here and you see all your games. This is the Backbone app and it's actually not bad at all. I like the clickiness. So it states all the games that's made available on your phone. In this case, on my phone, I have quite a number of games. This Backbone app, if you click on it, you would have to subscribe. But I personally feel that you don't have to subscribe because it's quite expensive. And all it does is just giving you all these rewards, which you probably won't need. Also, you have to subscribe in order to use this Backbone controller to play on your iPad or PC. And I think that it's not a very feasible thing to do, to pay subscriptions just to get that working. I'm not gonna subscribe this, so back. Yeah, it's nice. I no longer have to feel the squeakiness of the joystick. Well, the reason why I got the PlayStation Edition is because of the remote play, which I can now play my PS4's game on my phone. So you have to have your PS4 or PS5 turned on, and that way you can just stream whenever you want. Start. Will I get any invitation to play? No one is invited. Oh, there we go. Accept. No more squeaky noises. Love it. Nice. Oh, nice. That's how you do it. Damn, I'm feeling good playing this with the Backbone. All these kills are inevitable. So how does it actually feel gaming with the Backbone controller? I think that the size is not too big, so it's definitely perfect for a travel companion. My hands aren't too big, so it's just nice. The travel distance is not a lot. It's just nice. It doesn't rumble. I mean, that's the only cons that I can feel at the moment. If you want to just game with this, bring it everywhere you go, this is probably the best controller I can actually recommend to you guys. Of course, there are other controllers out there. The Razer Kishi Ultra is also one of the controllers which I would like to get my hands on, but that is very expensive. The Backbone, although it costs like maybe 429 ringgit as of now, Impulse Gaming has got this promotion going on whereby you can get the Backbone controller for 429 ringgit and get a casing free. Speaking of casing, I got myself one too. Yeah, I just want to carry this thing around and protect it at all costs. Nifty and nice. There's an orange color accent here. All you need to do is just zip it and zip it, open it, and all you see is just this area perfectly fit for your Backbone. Boom, boom. This was 89 ringgit and the controller itself was 429. I got it at some shop at Mid Valley. And then, of course, everywhere else, they're selling this for 529, if I'm not mistaken. You only get the controller, but as of now, I'm not doing any ads or it's not sponsored by Impulse Gaming, but I just happen to know that they have this promotion going on. Get the Backbone controller for 429 and free Backbone casing. I think it's while stocks last. In conclusion, is the Backbone PlayStation Edition worth getting in 2025? To me, I think it's not too bad. I mean, there are a lot of other external controllers which you can get for way cheaper price. But for me, I dig the PlayStation design, like the outlook of this thing paired with whatever phones that you have makes a good pair. I like the PlayStation logo at the back. I like how it feels when you stretch it. It feels very sturdy. I like that. I like the clickness of all these buttons. I like the USB-C. It does not have its own battery, so all you need to do is just connect it to your phone and use a USB-C cable, and you're able to charge your phone and use this controller at the same time. So you don't have to worry about not having enough battery when you want to play with it. And of course, there's also a 3.5mm head jack right here. I think that's about it. Like, the pros is pretty much there. The cons is that you have to pay a subscription fee, a fairly high amount. If you're someone who broadcasts your games, you might have to subscribe to that if you must. But if you don't, I think that you can just use the Backbone app as per normal. It still works fine. On the other hand, the Razer Kishi Ultra, for example, 700 to 800 ringgit. This is 400 plus. If you're interested in the Backbone controller, I mean, it's been out for a year plus already. If you found any used unit, you can go ahead and get them. But please make sure, again, there's 2 versions of the USB-C. If you look at this, the red color Warzone, that is the one which gives you external adapters to use with your casing. The yellow one, however, if it says Warzone Call of Duty yellow color graphic, that is the first version of the USB-C, which will not give you these. So beware of that. That's all for today's video. I'm very happy with the guys over at Century X letting me claim warranty for a defect unit, and now it's perfect. Can't wait to game on it. If you have any questions about the Backbone controller, just drop me a message down at the comments section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.